Welcome to the third video of this playlist. Today we will set and use props. In React, props or properties are a way to pass data from a parent component to a child component. Think of them as inputs that lets a component receive values or settings. They are read-only inside the child component. Now, since we know what props are, let's display the content of the header component dynamically using props. In the header component, we need to display two contents, one for the title and another one for the total number of items. We can pass props to component by adding as an attribute in the component's JSX tag. So add the title, grocery list, item total to inside the curly braces. To use this, open the header component. We can pass props so it can receive data from its parent component. For dynamic data, we can use props.title and props.itemTotal to display values passed from the parent component. Check the preview and we can see the changes. Now let's pass props to the item component. Let me add the name apple, quantity 3. To use them, open the item component. Add props. Here add props.name. Quantity is under the counter component. So first we need to pass quantity to the counter component. So add quantity props dot quantity. Then open the counter component, add props. In the quantity, add props.quantity. Check the preview and we can see the quantity. Now, if we add multiple item components with different values, we can see them. Great. This is the end of the session. In the next session, we'll iterate and render with the map function. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.